Welcome back to our channel. Today we have a 10-minute full body workout perfect for beginners. This workout requires no equipment, so you can do it from the comfort of your own home. Let's start with some gentle warm-up exercises to get our muscles ready for the workout. Begin by marching in place, lifting your knees as high as you can. Now, let's move on to some standing knee lifts, alternating legs with each lift. Next, we'll do some side-to-side bends, reaching down towards one foot and then the other. Great job on the warm-up. Now it's time to get into the main workout. We'll start with a set of squats, making sure to keep our weight in our heels. Next, we'll move on to push-ups, starting from our knees if needed. After the push-ups, we'll do a series of lunges, alternating legs with each lunge. Now it's time for some planks to work our core muscles. After the planks, we'll move on to some mountain climbers to get our heart rate up. Let's finish off the workout with some standing toe touches to stretch out our hamstrings. Great job, you did it. Take a few minutes to cool down and let your heart rate come back down to normal. Remember to listen to your body and modify any exercises if needed.